In our last MVP video, we showed how Twintivo connects a live digital replica of a manufacturing plant to the Apple Vision Pro for a fully immersive experience. Now, we have pushed that a step further. Picture this. You're designing an assembly line for an energy storage device. A cylindrical base and a lid, assembled by a robotic arm. You need to see how it'll work and spot any issues fast before spending time or money. With Twintivo, you don't just get a 3D simulation, you get control. Watch this. Hey Twintivo Assistant, start the simulation. Right away, you can see that the robotic arms stand will interfere with the base component. Hey Twintivo Assistant, stop the simulation. Now, hey Twintivo Assistant, reduce the diameter of the cylinder by half. Done. In seconds, hands-free. Twintivo lets you visualize, adjust, and perfect factory layouts instantly. That means fewer delays, lower costs, potentially saving weeks or millions, and a smoother path to production. For our team, it's a chance to work on tomorrow's autonomous factories. For our customers, it's smarter manufacturing delivered today. Thanks for watching. We're just getting started. Stay tuned.